Hello and welcome. Today I'd like to show you this quite simple, not very harsh goth makeup. Hope to give you some little tips, so keep up watching. Oh yes, that's amazing. So first tip that I can give you is if you start with goth makeup and you don't feel good with just plain white face straight on, try to buy a foundation that is one shade lighter than your skin tone, and maybe instead of white powder use some transparent powder like rice powder or something. Eyeshadow base, very important. As you can see, I still have my eyebrows on. I'm thinking about changing it, but for now I'm not ready. You don't have to shave your eyebrows to be goth. So using gray, like medium gray tone instead of black, can make this first step easier for you to get into makeup because it doesn't look as harsh as black. And you can always add something darker or something lighter. You can choose like light gray for your first time trying this harsher makeup. It's not very visible, but here I used like a light green shade. And I decided it needed some sparkle. Next tip that I can give you if you're a beginner, instead of using black kohl eyeliner, you can use like a dark brown. It looks way softer, so it might be good when you're starting off with makeup. And little silver dots. Mascara. It really makes a difference when you use it. I don't use it on my bottom lashes because they are so long that when I don't have any extension on the upper lashes, it just like it looks quite weird. Now makeup is ready. Let's put it all together now. Et voilà. If you enjoyed it, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.